Hi guys, welcome back. I'm back with a new video and this is my latest project. Okay, sorry guys, my lighting is not very good, so please bear with me. Because of the lighting, you cannot exactly see the papers, but these papers are very beautiful. I just loved it, and I have used Recollections Baby's first year paper collection for this project. So this is a album in a box, mini album in a box, and as you can see the name Yuvan, it's my baby boy's name, and I just made this for him. I was going to make this for his first birthday, but I could not finish it on time, so I just finished it today. So I'm sharing with you right now. So this is the lid of the box, and as you can see it closer, and so here I am going to put a picture of him, and that's very nice paper. The papers, some of the papers are have glitter accent in them, and as you can see the feet, they are glitter. The paper is so beautiful. So that's the lid, and it closes up, and this is the front of the box, and uh, I have layered this on chipboard and stuck them. It's called baby. So there's a tag behind and some paper string, hello world, and there's an embossed strip right there, and this is the next side, same as that's the back. So that's the box, and it's a huge box. It measures 9 by 9. So that's that, and we open it up, and inside there's two sections, one for an album and one I'm going to store some memorable items of him that belongs to him, like his first dress that was given to him in the hospital when he was born and stuff like that. So here is the album, and so let's keep the box aside for a while. Okay, so that's the album cover, and I just left the cover very simple and plain because I'm going to keep it in the box. So that's the front cover, and this is just be you, and I have covered the spine in burlap, some ribbon, and here is the back. So that is that, and it closes up with a ribbon. So we open it up, and here's the first page. So on the front cover I made this small frame, and I'm going to put his sonography pictures when we first saw him, and inside are this tag and a photo mat. So there's that. On the first page there's a 4 by 6 booklet here, and it says our little one's arrival. So I can put a picture of him, his first picture basically when he was born, and here inside is this chart where I can put his details like date, time, birthplace, labor, weight and all. So that's that, and it opens up like so with a string, and I can put two more pictures here. So we open it up, and there's a pocket inside, and we have got two tags, and I can journal something here, and one 4 by 6 photo mat. So that's that, and it's a pocket page, but I haven't inserted any photo mats yet. I have not decided like what I'm going to do here. So on this page there's a 4 by 6 mat, and it's a large pocket, and inside we have this tags. That's the 1 month picture. And so here we come to the second month, and it opens up like so, and here is one more tag. So this is the third month, month 3, and one more tag. And I just did not put any extra photo mats yet, because I don't know how many pictures I'm gonna put. As I select the pictures, I'm gonna make the photo mats and keep in the pockets. So here we have got a belly band, and this is 4 months, and that's a very beautiful 4 by 6 cutout, and it's a booklet for pictures. And so this opens up like so, and 2 more pictures, and like this also. So one 5 by 7, and the rest all are 4 by 6. So on this page we open it up with a string again, and I just love this paper, and it opens up like so, and again like this. So this is the 5 month, and here I'm gonna write his name, Yuvan's first year. And here you go, favorite things, my first word. So his first word was mum, so I'm gonna write those words there. So we come to this page, and this is the 6th month, and here I am going to put a picture of him. So this opens up like so, and we have got a double pocket page, and I'm smiling, and fun in the snow. So in India we don't have snow like in this part where I am living. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But now this is my first like home, smile, doctor visit, laugh, crawl, food, and etc. So I'm gonna write those up here. It closes up. And okay, so we come to this page, and this is the 7 months, and when he was 7 months old, it was Christmas. So this is all about Christmas. This is a pocket, so I'm going to put a picture of him inside, a large picture of him, and there are space for 4 more pictures, and our little turkey. This paper is so beautiful. Yeah, autumn, and that's the Santa Claus. So that's that. Okay, sorry. So here is the 8 months, and it opens up with a magnet, and we have more room for pictures here. And so this is the 9 months. First tooth, he got his first set of tooth in the 9 months. So that's the 9 month. And this inside I have just got a small tag, but I put his picture with his tooth showing. And this opens up 4 by 6 picture, and there's a pocket inside, a tag for journaling, and this is 9 months picture, and this is a growth chart. So like date, age, weight, height, and head. So I can write that here. And this is the 10th month. So that's I'm walking. He just started to like hold things and started walking. So that's that. And this is 10 month. So we can put two more little pictures here, and there's an acetate pocket here, and I'm gonna put his picture inside, fun in the sun. And so coming on the 11th month, first Easter, and this is my personality, and 11 months, a new discovery every day, glitter accents. And these are the milestones like held up, rolled over, discovered, hands and feet, smile, laugh, crawl, and other things. So that's a pocket. And this is the last 12th month. So I 1 year, so I made a waterfall, and here I can journal something about his journey through the 12 months. And so I'm gonna put some of his birthday pictures inside, and it's a waterfall. So, and I can write over here also. So that's that, and that finishes the album. So hope you liked my video, and if you do like my videos, please subscribe, and let me know in the comments like what you would like to see next, album or a card or something like that. So thanks for watching, and subscribe.